guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new, I welcome you. Please stick around and don't forget to subscribe if you do like what you see, and let's get into today's video. I'm super happy and excited for today's video because I am going to be getting ready. You are going to be getting ready with me, I should say, for New Year's. Where has this year gone by? I don't know. But we made it, guys. Thankfully, we are here, we're safe, we're healthy. For the new year, of course, I like to go a little bit extra, a little bit. Any chance that I can bedazzle something out, I'm gonna do it. So, a little glitter, a little bedazzle, a little bit of everything. And just to make this video a little bit extra special and exciting, I am working with Ana Luisa again. They are a brand that I've worked with in the past. Completely love them, obsessed with their pieces. Can you tell? So I do have all the earrings that I have on right now on my earlobes are from Ana Luisa. I have this one on my first piercings. This is the Michelle earring, and I love this. This actually comes in a set. They have the necklace set that's like stackable. Oh, gorgeous. Like if you were to pair this with that necklace set, beautiful. And then here I do have multiple piercings, so this was like actually perfect. I'm really happy with how this looks. On my second piercing, this is actually together, the one that looks like a safety pin together with this one up here. It's called the Cia Link. Absolutely adorable, and it just makes it look like edgy, cute with an edge. Well, yeah, that's what edgy is, right? I don't know. That's what I have on that side, and then on this side I do have again the first piercing, the Michelle set earrings, and then I have my second and third piercing. I have the Cassie earrings. The Cia Link is only for one ear. It only comes with one. It's not like for both ears. I like this look. Like, this is perfectly fine. This is in. This is a trend. But just in case if you did want to have like the same matching links on both sides, this is the perfect time to actually take advantage of their biggest sale of the year. They have some items for 10% off and other items for 60% off. You guys have spoiled your friends, your family, your loved ones. I think it's time to you first. But it is time to spoil yourself. Ana Luisa, if you haven't heard of them, they are very high quality. And the best thing about them is that they are not only cute pieces, they are earth friendly. They are completely carbon neutral and water neutral. So absolutely all of their pieces are crafted with the planet in mind. Ana Luisa provides you with super high quality and affordable pieces at a fair pricing, and they are produced ethically. Everything from the materials they use, everything from the manufacturing, the shipping, everything that goes into their brand, they are very conscious about the planet. And that's one of the many reasons why I do love Ana Luisa, is that they understand that high quality jewelry doesn't mean you have to sacrifice the planet. If these type of things matter to you, then I definitely recommend checking them out. I'll leave the link down below in the description box just in case you do want to check them out. Again, they do have everything for everyone, everything from simple and dainty pieces for every day, all the way to more extra out there pieces that you can wear out for like parties or events, special events. So if you are interested in seeing how I got this makeup look for New Year's, if you are interested in just sitting back, relaxing, and getting ready with me, then please, let's get into the video. Starting off with a clean, fresh face, I'm going to begin by moisturizing. I'm using my favorite of the moment. It is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. And when I say that my face loves this stuff, I am not kidding you. This stuff is amazing. After a while of letting my skin soak that in, I'm going to go in with primer, and I don't do primer every day. This is just for special occasions, and New Year's is one of those days that I just want my skin to look a little bit smoother and my makeup to last a little bit longer. I'm using the one from Perricone MD, the Instant Blur Primer, and no joke, when they say instant blur, it's because it really does blur out your pores. It's amazing. And I apply this only to the parts where I get most oily, which is my T-zone. I let that sit on my face for about maybe 1 or 2 minutes, and then I go in with my concealers. I do like using both of the e.l.f. concealers. I use the matte finish and the hydrating one. They are both in the shade light ivory, but the matte finish is a little bit lighter than the other one. I don't know why, but that's just how it is. I apply the matte finish towards inner part of my under eye, and then the satin finish on the outer parts just a little bit, and then I also spot conceal like my jawline because I have like some discoloration there or some scarring, and I just blend it out with my finger. I don't blend it out all the way because I do finish the blending with my foundation, and I take whatever's extra on my finger to like around my nose and my lips because I get some redness there too. Then next, going in with my all-time favorite foundation. If you haven't tried this foundation yet, you are sleeping on it. Go and get yourself the Revlon Colorstay foundation because it is amazing. I am not lying. I get mine in the combination oily skin formula because of course my skin is oily, but they have the normal dry skin formula too. And I just use a sponge to blend this all over my face. I always do like to let my foundation dry up a little bit before going in with the powder, but since it is New Year's makeup, I want my makeup to last a little bit longer, and so I do this little trick. Take your setting spray. I have right now the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Spray that all over your face and of course let it dry before putting on the powder, and trust me, this is gonna make it's a game changer for all of you that have oily skin. Now I'll go ahead and do the powder. I use my Wet n Wild Photofocus translucent powder to set under my eyes, my nose, the middle part of my forehead, and my middle part of my chin. Again, this is where I get oily. This is my T-zone, and setting these parts really does help with making the makeup last longer. And as you can tell, I just pressed that translucent powder into my skin, and to help with blending that out, I use the Maybelline FitMe Matte and Poreless powder, just the tiniest bit, just a slight little powder on top of that, so you can like just make sure everything is blended on your face. And then next, moving on to contour. For this video, I did use the Benefit Hoola bronzer to contour my cheekbones. And to bronze up my temples, I use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, just for what I already said this for my temples, and to kind of blend in also that cheekbone contour. Moving on to blush, I am using this one from Ciate London, their marbled blush. And I love this blush because it really adds that like natural flush of color back into your cheeks. And then next, I do like to take a clean brush. This is just me. I like to do this step just to make sure everything is nice and blended, but you don't have to do it. I like to do it. And of course, can't forget about highlight. I'm taking this Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit. I'm taking two shades, the Eclipse and Luna shade. And you guys know that I absolutely love my Cupid's bow highlight, so I take my finger for that. And then here, while I do the rest of my makeup, making sure that my lips are nice and moisturized. Beginning with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette, taking the flat shader brush that it comes with the palette and picking up the shade Rose Gold. Just placing it onto my eyelid. Nothing too perfect or precise, just making sure that I get the pigment onto my eyelid. And if you feel like you need a little bit more color, you can always take your finger to add the pigment on. Cleaning off that brush and then going in with the Modern Renaissance palette and picking up the shade Primavera. And I'm going to be taking this into my inner corner, and I do like my inner corner to be like very, very prominent, very there. And so I do take it up a little bit higher and a little bit lower also. So you can see me here just going around. Sticking with that same palette, I'm going in with Cypress Umber. It's just a dark brown shade. I'm using this shade to add depth and dimension. I tap, tap, tap on the pigment first, and then I go in and blend it. I feel like I lost a little bit of that rose gold shade, so I'm just going back in with my finger just to add a little bit more of that there. And I also wanted my inner corner highlight to pop a little bit more, so I went in with the shade Luna, also for my brow bone highlight. Going in, of course, to fix my eyebrows, and then I cannot go without my winged eyeliner using my e.l.f. eyeliner pen. Curling the lashes, adding mascara. You are free to do falsies. It is your choice. I didn't do falsies for this look, but it is New Year's. I probably should have, but I didn't. But I always do add 2 coats of mascara, and that really does make the difference in my mascara routine. Time for the bedazzle part. So exciting. Taking these jewels that I got from Amazon, they have like a gold finish to it, and then to attach those to my eyelid, I'm taking the NYX glitter primer. Also, I find that if you use the end of a brush, works perfect for this. After having the jewels attached to both sides, I am going in with my Essence Eye Pencil, and I'm going to be applying this to my waterline. And I find that this step really helps to make your eyes pop a lot more. And of course, what is New Year's without some glitter? I'm taking the NYX Liquid Crystal Body Liner in the shade Crystal Gold and putting this all along my lower lash line. You can actually do this step before you do the mascara on your lower lashes. It'll actually be easier if you don't want to get it on your lower lashes, but I actually wanted to add some of that glitter to the lashes. So this is why I did the mascara first and then did the eyeliner on my lower lash line, and as well as apply just a little bit on the lashes. I don't know if you can really tell in video, but you can see that there's some sparkle on my lower lashes. I do want to chisel out my cheekbones just a little bit, so here you can see me do that. And then before I finish off the makeup, which is the lips, I have to change. And you cannot go wrong with black with a little sparkle for the new year. For lips, I do want the attention to stay on the eye, so I'm going to keep it fairly nude. I'm taking the Il Makiage Carly Bible lip liner in the shade Luna. And on top of that, using the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in the shade 001 Pearl. The most beautiful clear lip gloss with just that perfect amount of iridescency, glitters, shimmer in there, and it smells good. I don't know if you've tried these lip glosses, but they smell amazing. I had done my hair earlier, so here I was just putting it down, and of course finishing off the look, the whole New Year's outfit with jewelry. The gold earrings that I'm wearing from Ana Luisa goes perfectly with the gold gems that I added to my makeup and the gold glitter, and it is literally perfect. I cannot leave the house without jewelry, and Ana Luisa has literally become like an obsession of mine. And that was all for this video, guys. I really hope you did enjoy. Let me know what you think of this look. Let me know what your plans are also for the new year. How do you like to celebrate your new year? Do you usually stay in or do you go out? Whatever it is that I end up doing, I always have to go just extra, and so that's why this makeup. And also, please don't forget to check out Ana Luisa. I'll leave all the information down below in the description box. They are having the biggest sale of the year. Treat yourself to an end of the year treat gift. I am completely obsessed and in love with how the earrings that I'm wearing right now tie in with the look that I decided for the new year. In the year off on a high note, you can get some jewelry pieces for 10% off and last chance items up to 60% off. So that is a steal, guys. You deserve it. Love yourself. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not yet. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!